How to easily send audio messages in Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. To do that, you can either open your account using your browser or by simply opening Slack application. Once you're on your account, go on the left part of the screen and then select the channel where you want to send an audio message. After that, we'll have to go on the messaging part and then in here tap on this mic icon, and then after that, you can now start recording an audio. Once you're done, simply tap on the check mark, and then to send the audio message, all we need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on this arrow icon. And as you can see here, the audio message is automatically sent. So that's how easy we can send audio messages in Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.